Explicitly select items from a list or tuple. I have the following Python list, can also be a tuple. I can say, how do I explicitly pick out items whose indices have no specific patterns? For example, I want to select 0, 2, 3. Or from a very big list of 1000 items, I want to select 87, 342, 217, 998, 500. Is there some Python syntax that does that? Something that looks like
Another option would be to start out with a numpy.array, which allows indexing via a list or a numpy.array. The tuple doesn't work the same way as those are slices.
What about this?
Maybe a list comprehension is in order. Produces. Is that what you are looking for?
It isn't built in, but you can make a subclass of list that takes tuples as indexes if you'd like. Printing.